Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we're gonna cook for Father's Day. So we're gonna celebrate here inside in our house, and we're gonna cook homemade tomahawk steaks. So come on guys, let's go. Hello guys, I'm gonna prepare for our Father's Day food. And the first thing that I cut it already. This is the brand of our bell pepper. So I'm gonna use these 3 bell peppers for our mixed vegetables. And also this one is the broccoli and onion. Here's the onion that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna start for this one first. Don't mind behind me, that's our puppy lab. Next is onion. This is gonna be. Now let's add for broccoli. So now I have to put this Rudy's black pepper. Salt. Granulated garlic. Olive oil. And mix. And this is gonna be look like ready to cook, to grate. And here's the red potatoes. So here we come guys, I cut it like a quarter. time to marinate the chicken. Like, okay guys, here is the finale, is the ribeye steaks, prime ribeye. This is our food for Father's Day. Look at this. So, oh wow, it's almost doesn't fit. So first is the olive oil. Just want a little olive oil. I need a paper towel to wipe it. Himalaya pink salt. I'm open. Oh, sorry. Didn't open everything. Black paper. Kindred. I need to put on the side so that I can roll over later. Rhodis robs. This one. And I'm gonna put a little bit of granulated garlic and a little bit of Montreal. It's not open yet. Just a little. And I have to massage it. To do that, after massaging, I'm gonna put a whiskey Jack Daniel. Then I need to massage and soak it. Worcestershire. Flip, and we're gonna do to the other side. Here we come, guys. Our prime rib eye, mixed vegetables, red potatoes, and chicken. And this is for lady steaks. First time for our Blackstone to cook vegetables. And now look at this one. For our Tomahawk steaks.
I'm just gonna put this on. They sell the stuff, but we didn't buy it, so I'm just gonna do it on my own.
Okay. Seasoning for the grill. Time to put our Tomahawk steaks. We surge to 700 Fahrenheit. Look at that. Gonna open. Wow. See?
Okay, we gotta sear it.
Look at that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look
Hold on,
at
let me
the
turn it.
chicken.
Let me turn it. Hold on.
Look at that. This looks so perfect.
I'm gonna throw away the bone.
No, that's for lady.
Ooh. 145. Let's see this.
When medium 145, medium well is 150. We're gonna do the 150.
Okay. I'm gonna turn that off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna return these here.
Now start to put the red potatoes at our new Blackstone grill for vegetables. And look at that, even lady has steaks. And here we come, the mixed vegetables. That's my chef cook husband. Look at my chef. That's it. Here we come, guys. Almost cook our vegetables. So finally, we have a grill for vegetables. It's a Blackstone grill that we just buy it yesterday. And look at this, our Tomahawk steaks. It's a perfect cook with my chef husband. He served it first for 700 degree. And here we come, guys, our food. That's our chicken barbecue, mixed vegetables, cooked at the Blackstone grill. That's the coleslaw, red potatoes, and of course our Tomahawk steak. I cut it half. So come on, guys, let's eat. I'm so hungry now. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.